Hello friends, peace be upon you. Hope your day is bright and you are having a good time. I'm Kaiser from PS Tutelar. My effort is to introduce you to such websites from where you can get free software. Or, those websites are free. Or, get enough credits to understand their process. In Google search, you have to write TypeIt ReadIt. And, it has to be searched. So, the first site is linked in the description. So, you have to open this site. Scroll down to the bottom, and get to Windows Download. Here there are two files of 32 and 64 bits. You have to check your Windows, to see how many bit Windows it has. Right-click on this PC, and click on its properties. In the device specification, you should see the system type. I have a 64-bit operating system. If you have 64-bit, it is okay, and 32 is also okay. If you have 32-bit Windows, you will download 32-bit software. And if you have 64-bit Windows, download the 64-bit software. Click on it to download it. It is only 15.5 megabytes software, not a big software. But it is a completely free software for text-to-speech. You can also add voices in it. I also tell you how to add voices. After that, you have to open it. This is a zip file, so you will extract it. Then, run its setup file. And, click Yes to install it. After installation, this is its icon, TypeIt ReadIt. Version 1.8 and 64-bit. Open this software by double-clicking. This is its layout after opening. By default it has only 3 voices: Microsoft David, Microsoft Mark, and Microsoft Zira. But I have 90 plus voices, so these voices are installed by me. Type up text-to-speech in Windows search. Then, change text-to-speech setting will appear in front of you. Click on it to open it. After that, you have to click on Add Voices. I have added these voices. These voices will appear in this box when they are added. After selecting all these voices, click on Add, then they will be installed. After that, close it and close the text-to-speech software. You have to unlock the TDS registries before reopening the software. I will also give its download link. You have to double-click on these 3, and enter them in the registry. If you want to double-click, you have to click on Yes and then OK. You have to do the same with the remaining 2 files. After that you close it. Now, open TypeIt ReadIt software. After opening, you now have 90 plus voices that you added. All those voices are present in it. Now, write a sentence here and see how text-to-speech works. After writing the sentence, I select Microsoft David. Checked highlight sentence, and clicked read from start.
TypeIt ReadIt is 100% free to download it.
You heard the voice of Microsoft David. If you check the highlight word
TypeIt ReadIt is 100% free.
So it will speak a single word. Highlight sentence and highlight word, and no highlight are the 3 options. Check the No highlight and click Read from Start.
TypeIt ReadIt is 100% free to download it.
It did not highlight the sentence. Check highlighted sentence, and click Read from Start.
TypeIt ReadIt is 100% free to download it.
He had highlighted the entire sentence. Look again. I click on Read from Start, it will highlight the whole sentence.
TypeIt ReadIt is 100% free to download and you.
Increase the speaking speed and click on Read from Start again.
TypeIt ReadIt is 100% free to download and you.
So, the speaking speed can be increased. You can increase or decrease the font size. And, after that here you have this option of B, that is, bold. If checked, this text will become bold. If you click on C, this is the color picker, change window color. You can change the color of the app window. For example, if I select green, it will turn green. In change font color, I select red, then the font color will be red. If I change the background color to gray, the background will be gray. If you click on change default color, then it will go back to its original colors, then OK. If I click on new, this sentence will be deleted from here. When clicked on new, it asks whether to save or create a new file. If you have a text file, you can open it from here. Can save text or save to sound. If I click on save to sound, it will save in WAV format. So, you can save this sound in your destination folder. If I click read from cursor and the cursor in one place, so, it will read from the cursor position. That is, where the cursor was, it started reading from there. Now, I change the voice here. Select Microsoft Linda.
TypeIt ReadIt is 100% free to download and use.
Click on Undo and click on Select All. There is cut, there is copy, there is paste, and there is spell check. If there is no mistake in the spell check, you can done it. If you click on Quit, you will quit by the software. No need to elaborate more. I hope you like this software. In about, this is TypeIt ReadIt, and this is its website. You can download it from schoolfreeware.com. And, this software is totally free. You can use this software by adding 90+ voices. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.